Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make my mixed vegetable pickle or Achard legume. Living in Canada or living abroad, how can you make this? It's not gonna be the same as you make it in Mauritius, but we all want to eat it anywhere we are because we love it, and it is so simple and easy to make, and it is so tasty to eat as well. I love it on my sandwich, and I hope you do too. So for the ingredient, I have here fresh cabbage. I have already washed and I have chopped them finely, and some carrots already washed and I have chopped them like that, strip, and green bean. And these are the veggies that we are going to use. We also need some garlic, some green chilies, spicy green chilies if you want it spicy. I'm not gonna add any chili paste, dry chili paste to this. It's gonna be like very spicy. Not everybody loves it spicy, so for me, I like to add my green chilies. I'm gonna cut them into small pieces or small strip, and I'm gonna bring that later. And we also need mustard, turmeric powder, and right now my water is boiling back there in a large pot, and I have added some salt. And now I'm gonna take it to the stove. We have to boil this for a bit. Now to this boiled water, you're gonna add your cabbage, your carrots, and the green bean. So remember that we have a little bit of water, salt in the water, and we are not looking to boil this. We are just looking to soften the vegetable a little bit, still crispier but not raw. Okay, so that will take about 2 minutes since the water is already boiled, and now it's gonna take 2 minutes. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain this completely. Alright guys, so after 2 minutes I drain all the vegetables, and I have a large tray over here with a clean kitchen towel, and I'm gonna let this dry over this towel, and just like that, just on my table. So we're gonna let this dry completely, and then we're gonna move forward. Alright guys, my vegetables, they are all cool and they dry. So time to time what you can do is just gonna come back like after 10 minutes, and you're just gonna take the tongue and you're just gonna move this around, and it will get cool like very quickly. So now I have a large bowl here. I'm gonna transfer this into this large bowl. I do remember that when my mom used to make this when I was a kid, a grew-up kid, and she used to, I think all of them in Mauritius, they all use a large tray to make this, and then the leftovers, they just put some rice in it and then they just eat. And so my mom used to feed me with the leftover that left in the tray with a little bit of rice, and that would be great too, but I like it mostly into my bread. So let's just put everything in the bowl, and then we're gonna move forward. And now to that I'm gonna add this is some garlic mince, and then I have slit the chili, the green chilies. I'm gonna add this to it. And then over here some turmeric powder. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon. You can add a little bit more if you want to, a little bit less. Some mustard powder, about 1.5 teaspoon. We're gonna add a little bit salt. Don't forget we already add salt before, so just be careful with the salt. And then we're just gonna mix this a little bit. Alright guys, if you see you need more color, more yellow color, you guys also know like turmeric is very good for health as well, so you can add more turmeric to your mixed vegetable pickles. And now we're gonna add some oil, and then we're gonna mix this again. Now this has to rest after you mix all of them. You can eat it in the same day, but you're gonna give this at least an hour just to sit. I would suggest to let it rest at least an hour, and then that's it. And here we have our mixed vegetable pickle, homemade. If you're living abroad, just follow this step, and it is so good. I'm telling you guys, I make this the same way all the time, and it is so perfection. Foolproof recipe. Get it down in the description box, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.